Technology to the rescue. Imagine a receptionist who never takes a day off, works all 3 shifts, 24/7, and costs less than half the price of hiring for just 1 shift. This innovative solution answers all your callers' questions, books your appointments, and even makes the sales for you. It's efficient, effective, and unbelievably affordable. You have a huge advantage right now, before your competitors catch on. You might want to act fast, because we'll be speaking to them in the next few days. Request your free custom calculator and a free preview of your custom receptionist for the solar installation service industry. For a short time, we're offering a free custom receptionist designed specifically for solar installation service specialists. Experience how your very own loyal, hardworking, efficient receptionist will sound. After you are satisfied, you can get your very own receptionist, designed and built for your company. Go to callstobook.com to request your free custom receptionist today. Discover how you can capture 34% to 65% more incoming calls from people responding to your ads, finding you on Google or Yelp, and looking for you to help them. Watch your solar installation business grow with callstobook.com. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar at callstobook.com, signing off. Connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and join our groups to learn more about recovering lost revenue. Follow us for updates.